Hello friends, welcome back to another fun object challenge. Today's challenge is all about school objects. Look carefully, think carefully, and try to guess every object before the answer appears. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question number 1. What is this school object? Children use it to write every day. Can you guess what it is? Take a close look. The correct answer is a pencil. Fantastic friends. Question number 2. Can you guess this school object? We use it to erase pencil marks. What do you think it is? The correct answer is an eraser. Amazing work. Question number 3. What is this school object? It keeps our books and notebooks together. Can you guess? The correct answer is a school bag. Great job. Question number 4. Can you find this object? Children use it to read interesting stories. What is it? The correct answer is a book. Excellent. Question number 5. What is this school object? We use it to write with colorful ink. Think carefully. The correct answer is a pen. Wonderful. Question number 6. Can you guess this object? It helps us measure straight lines. What is it called? The correct answer is a ruler. Fantastic friends. Question number 7. Here's another challenge. We use it to color beautiful pictures. Can you guess the answer? The correct answer is crayons. Amazing. Question number 8. What is this school object? Children use it to sharpen their pencils. What do you think it is? The correct answer is a pencil sharpener. Excellent work. Question number 9. Can you guess this object? Teachers write on it during class. Think carefully. The correct answer is a whiteboard. Awesome. Question number 10. What is this school object? We write our homework in it. Can you guess? The correct answer is a notebook. Great thinking. Question number 11. Can you find this object? It helps us cut paper safely at school. What is it called? The correct answer is scissors. Fantastic. Question number 12. Final question. What is this school object? It tells us when it's time for class or break. Take your best guess. The correct answer is a school bell. Congratulations friends. You guessed all the school objects. Fantastic job, friends. You guessed all the kitchen objects. You're becoming a super object expert. Keep learning something new every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for video 4. Bye bye, friends.